Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus dressing. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need prepared hummus, water or lemon juice, olive oil, and your favorite seasonings. This simple base allows for many variations, so feel free to adjust to your taste. We'll start by thinning the hummus to achieve the perfect dressing consistency. Now let's elevate the flavor. Fresh garlic, finely minced, adds a pungent kick. For a brighter taste, stir in fresh herbs such as parsley or cilantro. A small amount of tahini can deepen the nutty notes, while a pinch of cumin or paprika introduces warmth. Experiment to find your ideal flavor profile. Achieving the right consistency is key. Slowly add water or lemon juice, 1 tablespoon at a time while whisking or blending. You want a smooth, pourable dressing, not too thick or too thin. If it's too thick, add more liquid. If too thin, a little more hummus can help. This ensures it coats your salad beautifully. Once your delicious hummus dressing is ready, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Before serving, give it a quick whisk in case any separation occurred. This versatile dressing is perfect for salads, grain bowls, or as a spread for wraps and sandwiches. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.